Welcome to the European Erasmus Plus project Gamma on game-based learning in mathematics. This video gives a short impression of Chapter 1 of the Handbook for Teachers. The Handbook for Teachers was one of the three intellectual outputs of the Gamma project. The other two outputs were educational games and teaching scenarios. The games and teaching scenarios concern a number of mathematical topics that are part of the national curriculum of the project partners at secondary education level. The handbook consists of 6 chapters. The introduction chapter describes the purpose, writing process, and contents of the handbook. Why use digital game-based learning in mathematics? Unlike other subjects in the field of STEM education, mathematical content can be considered abstract and theoretical by students. It is difficult for teachers to attract students' attention and motivate them. Digital games can assist teachers within this by engaging students in independent work and developing meaning. In addition, many digital games require players to master strategic and analytical thinking, to apply problem-solving or decision-making, which are skills that are useful not only for mathematics and STEAM but also for any actual workforce. The introduction chapter also presents definitions and clarifies terminology such as digital game-based learning and gamification. Chapter 2 is about the state of art on learning and teaching with digital game-based learning in mathematics. This chapter describes the current trends, its benefits and issues, along with some concrete examples of empirical studies. Chapter 3 describes the foundations of educational game design. It includes a discussion of pedagogical and game design models, as well as different kinds of authoring software tools. 2 of these tools are Malt2 and Choico, which are tools that are open source and available to teachers and students. These tools make the design and development of digital games more accessible. This chapter is especially recommended for readers who want to go beyond using existing games and want to know more about how to design educational games themselves. Chapter 4 is about game analysis. The chapter describes examples of digital games about mathematics, with a systematic analysis of these games. In addition, it offers a framework to evaluate the potential of digital games. This helps teachers identify educational digital games that are appropriate for the use of game-based learning in their teaching. Chapter 5 provides an overview of the 7 games developed and used in the Gamma project. In Chapter 6, guidelines for teaching and implementing game-based learning in practice are provided. This chapter introduces ways to model a mathematics lesson with game-based learning and how to implement it in the classroom. This video was developed within the European Erasmus Plus project Gamma about game-based learning in mathematics. For more information about the handbook or the Gamma project, click the link in the description of this video.